Let's turn this acrylic bag charm into something super fun. First, you have to remove the plastic covering on both the front and the back of the acrylic charm. Then decide which part of this really cute red gradient vinyl you want to use for your project. Once it's cut, weed the design so that you only leave the part of the design that you want on the acrylic bag charm. Make sure that you get all the little pieces inside your A's and your O's so that it's all nice and clean. Then use your transfer tape, apply it to the top of the vinyl, making sure you have a really good adhesion to the transfer tape. Turn your vinyl over, peeling off the back. Then you're ready to place it on top of your acrylic bag charm. Once you have it placed where you want, again, use your scraper and scrape that down so that it will stick really well to your bag charm, and then remove the transfer tape. Don't forget that the acrylic charms come with a cute tassel and key ring. Using a set of pliers, attach your key ring and tassel to your acrylic bag charm. Now it's ready to attach to a bag or to use for your keys. Find more at lizoncall.com.